There's something special about finding a plant that fits your life, no matter the season. For me, that plant is lemongrass, a resilient companion that stands tall through sun, rain, and chill. Lemongrass brings fresh scent, unique flavor, and beauty to any garden. It weaves into your home story, from the garden path to the kitchen. Lemongrass does it all: zest for meals, soothing tea, even natural bug repellent. It's the perfect plant for every season. Lemongrass is nature's secret weapon against mosquitoes thanks to its citronella-rich scent. Plant a few clumps near patios or walkways, and as you brush past, it releases a citrusy aroma that keeps bugs at bay. It's a simple, beautiful way to enjoy your outdoor spaces in peace. Lemongrass brings a bright, zesty flavor to your kitchen. Its citrusy aroma instantly lifts the mood and adds a refreshing twist to any dish you make. Think Thai soups, curries, and marinades. Lemongrass is the secret ingredient that makes these recipes truly unforgettable, infusing them with a unique, mouth-watering fragrance. Fresh from the garden, it's tender and aromatic, far better than store-bought stalks. Homegrown lemongrass is more flavorful, with a softer texture and a vibrant scent that fills your kitchen. Bruise the stalks for stir-fries to release their essential oils and deepen the flavor of your meals. Or steep the leaves for a fragrant tea, hot or iced. It's soothing, refreshing, and perfect for any time of day. Once you start using lemongrass, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. It's a simple way to elevate everyday meals and delight everyone at your table. Lemongrass is perfect for beginners. It's easy to grow from a single grocery store stalk. Just trim the bottom, place it in water, and watch roots appear in a sunny spot. Once rooted, plant it in soil and give it sunshine and water. Soon you'll have a lush, thriving clump with minimal effort. A potted lemongrass plant does more than look pretty. It purifies your air. Its essential oils cleanse the space, replacing stale air with a fresh, citrusy aroma. It's a simple way to make your home feel cleaner and more inviting. Lemongrass naturally neutralizes odors with its crisp, clean scent. Dry the leaves for potpourri, infuse vinegar for a cleaning spray, or simmer stalks for a fresh-smelling home. It's an easy, natural way to keep your space welcoming. Lemongrass repels pests but attracts helpful pollinators like honeybees. Planting it supports a healthy, balanced garden ecosystem. One plant can truly benefit your whole garden. Lemongrass is naturally antifungal and antibacterial. Use it in teas to soothe sore throats or infuse oils for homemade remedies and natural disinfectants. It's a simple way to care for your family with what you grow. Lemongrass forms dense, graceful clumps, perfect for borders or screens. Its movement and color add beauty and structure to any garden. It's proof that a plant can be both useful and stunning. Lemongrass tea is a soothing ritual, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Its calming aroma and gentle flavor offer a natural way to unwind. Harvesting and brewing your own is a simple act of self-care. Once established, lemongrass is drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. It thrives in heat and dry spells, making it perfect for sustainable gardens. You get beauty and resilience without extra effort. Lemongrass isn't just a garnish, it's a powerhouse for your garden, kitchen, and home. This versatile plant protects, flavors, beautifies, and soothes, making it a must-have for any green thumb or culinary enthusiast. Use it as a natural mosquito repellent, a zesty addition to meals, or a fresh touch in your home decor. With a little sun and water, lemongrass thrives and gives back beauty and well-being. Start with a single stalk and watch it flourish, adding nature's elegance to your space. Thanks for joining me. Happy gardening. May your lemongrass journey be as rewarding as mine.